Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deneen and this is Designed by Denine, and that little cutie pie sitting right beside me is my dog Sage. Today I'm participating in a Christmas DIY challenge. This challenge is hosted by Sonja over at Domestic Diva DIY. I'll have links to both Sonja's channel and the playlist listed in my description box below. Please be sure to go and check them out and show them some love. I picked this wreath up at Dollarama. I just fell in love with the beautiful shade of blue. So I bought this one as it is for $4. You could very easily do the same thing if you couldn't find one already made up. So you just need a plastic wreath form, a pretty thick one, and then probably 2 or 3 blue garlands. These ones have a combination of a fringe style as well as snowflakes. All of these supplies I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So these are assorted silver baubles, 2 packs of those. And these are clip-on silver glitter poinsettias, 2 packs of lights, which I ended up not using, a couple picks of flowers, white and silver poinsettias, and this is a pick of silver glitter eucalyptus, and some beautiful ribbon, which I also didn't use, and finally a sleeve of blue and silver balls in a bigger size, and I only used the silver. And as I mentioned, all of these items were purchased at Dollar Tree. So I personally find it easiest when working on a project like a wreath to first lay everything out and then glue it down. This way you can kind of move things around until you're happy with the placement of everything. So just start placing items around and keep adding until you get things the way you want them. Feel free to move things around, and when you get there, you'll know it. When I was happy with the placement of all my pieces, I hot glued most of them down. The ones I didn't have to glue down were the little clip-on poinsettias, and I just clipped those either into a piece of the frame if it was in a spot where it was easily accessible, or I just clipped it onto a heavier piece of the garland. And basically everything else I just placed down with hot glue. To attach the eucalyptus, it didn't really work well with hot glue, so I used craft wire to attach this to the frame. And here it is on my front door, and I love it. It's gorgeous. Unfortunately, all the rest of my decorations are green and red, so it's probably going to have to come and live indoors where I do have a lot of blue.